Okay, hello everyone, and today we are going to talk about the current week, week 24. And this week, you will familiar with the testing. Currently, this information is about unit testing, end-to-end testing, integration, and mostly it's about just for your information, but in the next huge task that you will apply in a groups, you will apply knowledge about unit testing. So it's kind of learning in advance. The next block, it's about WebSocket. Nowadays, we are using a lot of different way to have real-time updates from the backend side, and WebSocket is one of these ways. And I definitely recommend you to learn about WebSockets, and I believe you will apply this knowledge in the future. And related to week assignments, this week you should complete tasks that you have started previous week. It's about function, and this week you should prepare presentation. It will be an video presentation. Firstly, follow this link. You will find a lot of different themes, and you should choose only one of these themes. What exactly? It's absolutely up to you. I guess there are a lot of interesting information for you, and you will be able to find the most interesting. Uh, as soon as you choose one of the theme, you should prepare your presentation using Rival framework, and pay attention, it's mandatory step. Uh, then you should prepare your notes and kind of Mm, I don't know how it's correct to say. You should able to talk about your theme within 8 or 10 minutes. All your presentation should be recorded and upload to the YouTube. And if you worry that someone else able to see your video and you do not like to share it, please make this video as unlisted. That's why this video will be available only by the link. So only people with whom you share this link will see this presentation. And this presentation will checked by your mentor. And I hope that's all from my side for today and for current week. And few words about the next section. After the a week, we will divide you on a small group by 3 or 4 people, and you will work in this group within next 5-6 weeks, and you will create your group task, and I hope it will be interesting for everyone in this group. And that's all from my side. Any questions?
No, thank you.
Thank you for participation and wish you a good week. Bye bye.